That's where it began. Let's get it. Let's get it. GTN. What it do, fam? I'm the Prophet, aka the Slimy Trader, and this is the first video. We here. Been talking about this for over a year, but we here now. So on this first video, man, this is gonna be an exclusive video just for the green team. I'm gonna release in the Discord. I do got a YouTube channel. I'm gonna provide all that later for y'all, and I'm gonna need all y'all to like it up, subscribe, share it, all that. But we'll get to that. This first video, like I said, is an insider video. I just wanted to improve some of the traders that's already trading. I wanted to improve you guys' method, and I found a way that I know a lot of people ain't on yet, so I'm about to put y'all on game with this. This first method right here that I'm about to release or have you guys get on is, instead of trading through TradingView and NinjaTrader, all that, man, we're gonna trade right through the best platform that's out there, TradingView. And it's crazy that most people don't know about this. Even people in the prestigious group that I'm in, a lot of the traders in there, they don't know about this, you know. So I will release another video later where I will release it on YouTube, have it edited up, you know, all that. But first I wanted to let you guys get it first, as y'all are part of the green team. So I got to make sure y'all green, you dig? So let's go ahead and get ready to hop over here. And let me just say real quick, for you, those of you that are brand new and that don't know anything about this, the first thing I can tell you is that you're going to want to start doing some homework. You're going to want to start, you know, just putting this in your brain, start looking things up regarding to this when you got time. But I as well, I'm gonna be your guide, you know what I'm saying? So if you just want to wait for me, man, I got more videos, like I said, that I'm dropping later today, tomorrow. They about to start coming out now. I just had to get my whole system set up and everything, but we good to go. So for the newer traders or newer people that want to start trading, I got videos that will explain funded accounts and the use of them, the pros and the cons. I'm gonna tell you the good and the bad. I ain't gonna just tell you the good. So I'm gonna tell you the pros and the cons of all that, and I'm gonna help you get started. So just hang tight with me, just chill, just keep watching right now, just keep learning and seeing what we doing. This thing with trading in itself, you want to be patient. Like, you don't want to try to, oh, let me get in there, and now it can work for you, but it's gonna go one way or the other. It can work good or work bad. So just take your time, you know what I'm saying? Just give me a minute getting this all together, the whole green team. It's a lot going on right now, but I'm gonna have that video for y'all very shortly. But to my traders that's already started and that want to use TradingView instead of trading with TradingView, because we all know they got a horrible system, or I should say, how do I switch this here? They have a horrible charting system, I should say. But this, what you're gonna have to do if you want to trade through TradingView. Let's click over here. So you see now I got trading, or the name's too similar. I got TradingView pulled up. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to log in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. Let me grab my username and password. I'm on Mac right now. How do I do this again? There we go. Alright. And while I'm doing this, setting this up, TradingView. This is one of the main platforms that us traders use for futures, which is what you all will be trading as well. Again, there's many different platforms, but this is one of them here. The problem is they have a horrible charting system. So we are going to be using TradingView to trade in, which I'll show you guys that in a minute. But okay, so first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna log in here, right? We're gonna launch into the system. All right, let's see. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on application settings right here. Click on application settings. We're gonna click on add-ons. As you can see, I already have mine done here. It's free, but you're gonna wanna, under add-ons, you'll see TradingView. You're gonna wanna activate this. And again, it's free, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you get this activated right here, once you get this activated, we'll then head over to TradingView. Damn, I ain't signed in nothing. Okay, I'm on my Mac right now, so let's see here. Here we go. Okay. The slimy trader. You dig. Okay. So let's click on a chart here. I'm gonna bring up NQ because NQ is one of the main things we trade here in the green team. We mainly trade NQ and ES with the futures. With options, we trade SPY, SPX. You're gonna see me throw in some Tesla plays, some Nvidia plays. I trade everything because what y'all learn is the charts react the same no matter what you trading. Once you learn the technical analysis that I'm teaching here, you're gonna be able to use that with any chart. If you want to trade Apple, anything. But anyways, let's get back to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the chart here. And once you have the chart pulled up, you see it's already trying to connect me, but let me lower this so you guys can see. Okay, so here's our chart. So what you're gonna want to do to get this, to be able to trade through TradingView, after doing that first step, you're gonna want to, at the bottom of the screen, you see where it says trading panel, hit open trading panel, and then you'll have to hit the maximize panel right here. Now this is where it wants you to connect to your broker. And remember guys, like I said earlier, TradingView, which is this one here, it's just one broker, but there's many different brokers. There's pros and cons to each. I'll drop videos as we go on that, but one of the main ones we use is TradingView because that's what comes with the funded accounts typically. So let's see, we're gonna go under demo because live, it means you're a professional trader, which we ain't reached that level yet. I'm gonna have videos on that too, but that's our goal, is we all want to be professional traders. Just look at it like going to the NFL or the NBA. So you want to get drafted eventually, right? So there's gonna be some pros and cons to that. Of course, we'll go into that later. But what you're gonna do is right here under demo here, you're gonna put your information right here, right? Let me click over and grab my, where is my, here we go. Gonna grab my username real quick off screen. Give me a minute. Okay, so we put our username and our password in, right? We're gonna connect. Okay, so as you can see, it's showing the same balance. I should have left this up. Okay, as you can see, you see my balance here, $50,405.50. And when I come over to TradingView, you can see my balance, $50,405. So it's connected. from here, once you are connected now to TradingView, you can do your charting and trade directly through here. You would hit the trade button at the bottom of the screen here. And once this come up, you do have the DOM. This is the ladder. I'll make another video on the ladder as well, so you can put your orders in at a specific price on your take profit and your stop loss. But I like using order. I just keep it simple. So here's your buy calls and sell if we wanted to go down. This is of course under market. You got to pay attention to this. Make sure you're under the right thing. We mainly going to use market or limit. If you're wanting to get in immediately, you're going to go under market. If you're planning your trade out and you have time, you can say I wanted to get in at the exact moment it reached the supply zone here, which looks like what 17794. I would under limit come right here, click the arrow, and then I'd find 794. You just type it in for real. 794. So yeah, if I click this here and then I click sell, when the stock gets up here to 794, it's gonna fill my order. Now let me show you guys one more thing here. This is extremely important, the take profit and stop loss, and this is also a game changer right here compared to TradingView. Now you see, I've already been trying to explain this, a lot of members like the tick system, which we'll go in detail with that another day. But basically with this here, you don't even have to worry about that yet. You see, this stop loss is how much I'm willing to lose. Take profit is how much I'm willing to make. So without even knowing about ticks, I can just say I'm willing to lose 500 in order to make 1,000. So with this, you see it adjusts the price for me. It's going to handle everything else for me. So when I put this limit in, which I'm gonna go ahead and hit sell now, and look, you see that right there? You can see the order on the screen. The sell limit this is saying once we get up to this price up here, it's gonna put me in. And then once we get up here, if we kept going up, because this is a sell, meaning I want it to come down. So once we get in right here, if it kept going up like this, by the time it gets to this orange line, I lost $500, and it's gonna automatically pull me out. Now I can also grab this and move it how I want. You see how it now says I'm gonna lose 640 right here. Now remember, if you move the line, you have to hit modify order to confirm the changes. So don't forget that. And also on the down end, so say I got in and start coming down like this and I didn't want 1,000, I can keep adjusting and moving this. You gotta hit modify order there. But look, it's 1230, it's 15. I can keep sliding it without the issues that TradingView give you, which I'll put that in another video as well. But so you see I got the order in and it's just sitting here. It hasn't been filled because the stock hasn't moved up to this price. But what I'm gonna do, if you want to ever cancel an order, you can hit stop right here and cancel. Now mind you, you could also come in here and hit your exit position still here if there was an issue. But yeah, that's how you do it. So just wanted to make a quick video for you guys on that, how to set up that. And I will say you can only be in one instance of TradingView. So if you have other windows open, you'll have to close those windows all out, and you can only sign into one instance of whichever funded account you're using. You can sign in with just one at a time. So you're gonna want to do what I do. Like I got like a separate spreadsheet where I have like all my different funded account credentials listed on there. And then say I need to pop to another funded account, I'll just grab that spreadsheet, copy and paste into TradingView here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys got any questions, just feel free to run it by me. Again, this is the green team. Y'all already know what it is. It's just the beginning. Like I said, stay tuned. We got a lot on the way. Run them questions by me, gang. Profit, Slimy Trader, I'm out.